welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Chef Pusheen, and it's really cute. If you guys saw the picture on it, well, of course you did, you tapped it. I'm glad you guys wanted to see it. Well, first thing you're going to want to do is draw the ears. Now start like every other cat does. You're going to want to go to the bottom and cut off the bottom. The next thing you're going to want to do is draw this little chef hat. Here. Let me draw it better for you. There we go. And then we will draw the next part. So the first thing you're going to want to do right here is make that little thing right there. You're like, what the heck is she doing? Well, it actually goes across them like this. Her, I mean. And then you will do this little cute thing right here. And then we'll add this little heart thing right there. Okay, the next step you're going to want to do is we're going to color her in a little with her gray color. And then her hat is going to be blue. And then this is the easy part. You can make them any color you want, but Pusheen, I recommend doing gray. I do the heart like that. And then we're going to do a darker pink for this thing right here. You know what? I'm going to make the heart. I'm going to make it white. There we go. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is make, oh goodness sakes. Let's make it tinier. There we go. And then we will color that in with dish. Perfect. Then the next thing we're going to want to do is we are going to want to add the face. The cute little face. Now, she's a cute chef, so she needs these cute eyes. Okay, here we go. Zen mode again. Perfect, but I'm going to change the mouth. I'm always picky about my art. There we go. Perfect mouth. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do, if you guys want, you can end here, but this is the extra part. Well, whiskers are mandatory, but this is extra. You can add pink in the ears, but I do not want to do that. Now, you can add literal bowls and cracked eggs. So here, let's do it. We're gonna make a little mess right here. So the kitty was helping in the kitchen, and then the owner regrets it. Okay. Now we're gonna make a pile of this everywhere. It was your fault, owner. Okay. The next part we're going to want to do is, I forgot to input. Well, you do not have to add these, but it's little mittens right here. You can make her holding anything you want if you like to. Like, you can make her holding a spoon. Like that. But you can make her hold anything. Okay. Now, the next one is a bowl. I'm kind of making it look like a fat drum. what the spoon goes in. We're gonna make that in the middle. We're gonna make that and then we're gonna add this light blue, and then we're gonna put a heart. Wait. There. Looks like it was drew by her own paws. Okay. The next thing we're gonna want to do is we're gonna add one last thing. So if you guys want, you don't have to. You can add this sugar jar. Well, it's actually not a jar, it's like a bag. No, it's exactly a bag. And then we're just gonna do like the things it tells you.